Do you have a system in your bookkeeping that works for you? There are all kinds of systems out there to help you with your bookkeeping. A system can be whether you're using a spreadsheet or if you're using something like QuickBooks Online or some other accounting software system. But is that system working for you? Because cash is king, and the systems are the automation, and they are the key to your business and saving you time, money, and labor. And most importantly, I believe the time, that you can have a computer system do the things for you automatically without you having to put all the labor and the thinking behind it. Briefly look at it and know, okay, yeah, this is where it goes, match. That's what I really like with that. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, I thank you so much for supporting me, and I appreciate you listening to my video and learning from my videos as well. My name is Helen DeVries, and I have done bookkeeping and accounting for over 2 decades, helping small businesses run their business. And so I look forward to spending some time with you to help you improve your business, improve your cash flow, improve your profits, and just make your business easy and simple for you. I think simple is the best method. So today we're going to look at what is a system and why you need a system, and what kind of workflow system can you set up. What does this really help you with? I know we hear so much about workflows and systems out there on every YouTube channel and on Google, but really, what does that system help you with? But before I get into that, I do want to let you know that I've created an ebook for you that is digital, that you can just flip your way through it. I've made it like really simple and easy for you. And I know that you have an amazing business, or you're looking to start, an amazing business in 2024 that, will change your life, and you'll be able to do some things that you've only been dreaming about doing. So this booklet will help you kind of clarify in your mind, like what type of business maybe that you want, how much you want to pay yourself, how many hours you want to put into your business, because you might be working a full-time job and you can only work on your business part-time or on the weekends or the evening time, whatever that is. Or, you could be a stay-home mom or dad, and, you have some more time and you would like to increase your income. That this will help you kind of pre-calculate the numbers of what, that you could possibly earn to help your family, in your business and in your personal income. Put away some money in savings, put away some money in, retirement, and still have plenty of money to live, a comfortable life off of, and make a difference in your family and in your life. So, and that is, I've created that, and it's absolutely free to you. All you have to do in the description, it is the first link. Just click Winning in My Business, and it will be emailed directly over to you, and you can get started with that. So that's a great start there. So now let's go back to today's lesson that I want to share with you. Okay, so the first thing that we are looking at, we want to have a simple and easy system. So whatever workflow that you have, just make sure it's simple and easy. Like for me with QuickBooks Online, I train and I coach in a very simple 5 to 7 step system, depending on exactly where you are in your business. But we have, like one thing that we do like every week, when we're looking at our bookkeeping, that we're going to go through our full accounting cycle. Some things that you'll do once a week, some things that you would do once a month. But you wouldn't be spending but 1 to 2 hours per week on your bookkeeping, and you would know what your numbers were, what these numbers mean, have the feeling of how your business is going, what kind of trend that your business is on. So like for instance, we would every week when we logged into QuickBooks Online, we're going to go through our bank transactions. We're going to invoice any of our clients that we need to invoice. We're going to check on any invoices that we have outstanding. We're going to put our accounts payable in or bills in. We're going to pay some bills if we need to do that. And that's pretty well, all for that week. Once a month, we're going to reconcile our bank accounts and our credit cards, but that only takes you a few minutes to do because we already have put all the entries into QuickBooks with our processing. But that's like an example of a workflow. So you just do that every week. Every week. It's a very duplicatable system. And so you're not getting stuck anywhere. It's just like clockwork that's going around. So whatever system, even if you're using a spreadsheet, have some type of system that you do every week, and then some things that you do once a month. So this will really help you a lot. The next thing is, increased efficiency. And that's why I train and I teach with QuickBooks Online, because you can become very efficient in QuickBooks Online. We can, create rules that automatically it goes to this account every time I spend money with this vendor. Every time I spend money with Amazon, that it's going to my office supplies. Every time I'm eating a meal out with a client, it's going to my meals. That is a deduction, a business deduction that I'm going to be writing off. Every time I pay QuickBooks Online, I pay Notify, I pay Microsoft, all of that is going to my software apps. And I can see at any point in time how much I've spent in software apps. And that's very important there. So, but just increased efficiency. And then it's the third thing is it's standardized. So every week that you know what you're going to be doing, there's not, any wrench in it that's going to throw you off, because you're going to go through your bank feed, you're going to invoice your clients, you're going to follow up with your clients, you're going to pay your bills, you're going to see what your bank balance is. You could see what your profit is for the week, your profit for the month or the year. So it standardizes everything for you, so you don't have to keep thinking through everything. Sometimes it's really hard, because our brains just like thinking. But when you have it all in a system and it all standardized, then you don't have to do all that. You can get it done in a quarter of the time and then move on to make more sales for your business and build your business. Don't spend all that extra time, where you're just staring at your computer screen. You know exactly what you're doing. So that's what it will help. And then it will give you visibility of your business and transparency of it. You'll know where all your money is going. You'll know whatever money is coming in, so you can adjust what's coming in to what's going out. So that is very, very important. And then it's cost saving. You're going to start doing it in the beginning of going through everything. But then as your business grows and you're working, on your business instead of working in your business, in your bookkeeping, then you're going to be able to hire an admin to come in and help you do some things. And I have a client that she does have her admin in helping her do things now. And so she came out with a beautiful newsletter now, and she's did a podcast and everything. And so before she was upset about bookkeeping and crying and things like that. So I helped her just walk through the process. I did some things for her. And now she was very happy in her business, and she's doing really well. So you just want to get your processes in order. And those are kind of, with my training and coaching, I don't call it coaching so much because I'm going to train you. I'm going to hold your hand through the whole process, and I'm going to teach you step by step by step how to do it so that you are never lost and wasting time in QuickBooks creating errors for yourself. I would rather show you the right way to do it, and then you don't have to worry about, how am I going to fix this? So I teach you every single thing that you need to know. And then scalability. And then when you have this blueprint, you have this workflow going, then you can start scaling your business. You can start adding other people on your staff, to help you do different things. You're going to be giving yourself more free time, where if you need to take a course or something, you have that time to really, dig into that course, implement that course, and do, whatever you need to do. So it really makes your business scalable, and we all want our businesses to be scalable, no matter if we have a product business or a service business. But those are some tips there, of how, you can use a system in your business. Like I say, whether you're using QuickBooks Online or if you're using a spreadsheet. I just love using QuickBooks Online because QuickBooks does 3/4 of the work for you, opposed to a spreadsheet that you've got to put in all the work time and time again, and it can cause a lot of errors. I do a lot of cleanup work for clients, and so I have to go in there and figure out all the errors that they did and to undo those errors. But I don't want you to have those errors in there. And I know you'll see on YouTube all kind of videos about how to correct your errors and QBO, but we want to do it the right way, so we're not, having to go through that process. And, if you have your QuickBooks Online or interested in getting your QuickBooks Online, and you do need help, like with cleaning up your books, like from January all the way through October, November, December, I do also offer, some bookkeeping for you, where I do some bookkeeping. I train you how to do your bookkeeping as you're starting out, but I'll do the blunt of the work for you so that it makes it easier for you. So please do check out my website at HelenDeVries.com, and you'll see some services in there that I offer. And if you will email me directly, coaching@HelenDeVries.com, I will give you a 20% off on your first services with me. And I look forward to actually doing that for you and working with you as well. But anyway, I thank you today for viewing my video, and I hope it's been encouraging and helpful for you in your business. And if you do need to get started with QuickBooks Online and you want to just, explore it yourself too, do it yourself, that is great, that is fine. But please go back to my video, getting started in QuickBooks Online, easy, I think it's number 2, and episode 115. Just look up episode 115 and it will take you straight to there. I will have Andrea try and put it up in the link here, so you can just click the button and go straight to it, or even we'll put up a scan for you, where if you're watching on your TV, you can just scan it with your phone and go right straight to it. But thank you for joining me today, and I really appreciate and love you. And if you have any questions, please do let me know, because I would love to help you in your business, as I'm growing my business as well too. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you next Wednesday.